All right, here we go with the last new learning of 5.1. We're on page 164. We're going to learn how to find speed or rate of travel. And so the first thing you need to understand is that if I drive, let's say 40 miles, and it takes me 1 hour, the unit rate, 1 hour, I am traveling at a speed of 40 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. That's what that actually means. It would take me 1 hour to go 40 miles. Now let's look at problem A on page 164. A car traveled a distance of 120 miles in 2 hours. Find the speed of that car. Well, the distance is 120 miles and the rate is 2 hours. So all I have to do is divide or simplify that. I've got 120 divided by 2, which is equal to 60 miles per hour. Easy cheesy. And B, this is on the top of page 165 actually. Joyce is climbing up a steep trail. She climbs 3/4 of a mile in a half an hour. Find her climbing speed in miles per hour. Well, same thing here. We've got 3/4 of a mile is the distance. The rate is being compared to 1/2 hour. And we have to, in order to have a unit rate, we need to have this be 1 hour, right? How do I go from a half hour to 1 hour? Simply multiply 2 by 2 because 2 halves make 1 whole. So if I multiply 3/4 times 2 halves, times 2, I get 6/4 because 3/4 and 3/4 is 6/4, or, and that's miles, or 1 and 2/4, which is 1 and 1/2 miles per hours. Miles per hour. All right, so that's how you do that. Easy cheesy, right? Do numbers 9 and 10 on page 165 and then watch the next video to see how you did on it.